Hello friend, welcome to my new video. Today in this video I am here in like a bay of river. There is river and I'm here to see the goat, and it's all our goat, and there is our home. Yeah, one our one goat is so thief. We always go in other field to eat grasses. Yeah. Yeah. That is stupid goat, thief goat. We must put that goat in the jail. If their goat jail also exists in this hole, yeah. Yeah. I came here right now. Oh my god. Another goat also go. I just need to run here in the field. You can see our goat chasing. Look at that. But it's good to stay here like this. See, my hair is flying like that. Yeah, due to ear. I tell my dad to bring my woolen sweater because here is cold. You can see how much it's cold. If I do not wear a proper clothes, maybe I will get sick. I tell my dad to bring a sweater, but waterproof jacket. What? That other people feel. Yeah. The side is and the side is building. Yeah, it's not exactly the bazaar, but what is that bridge? Oh, it's already begin to rain. I need to run home fast, I think. If it's rain, everyone, I mean this goat maybe suffer from like common cold, yeah, and I will also suffer from like a sneezing. Yeah, so big wind with the huge storm and the sky, everything gets dark. White part also getting dark because it's going to rain. Yeah. Right now our goat is eating grass properly. Yeah. I think they won't go to eat other people grasses here until I aim their security guard. I don't think so. They will go to. But most of the goat just want to go in other field. One, two, three, 4, 5, and there is 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, here also one. There is one mini goat. Here also one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 goat here. Oh my god, so long snake body. I just see. Sit. Oh my god, so long, yeah. Shh. Sit. This is, yeah, it's scary. Oh my god, I found the body of holy snake. Yeah, yeah, look at this, so long. Yeah, it's the mouth of a snake, you know. Yeah, so long. Yeah, Yeah. Oh, it's already begin to rain. I don't know till when I will be here. Yeah, look at this. It's one wall, yeah. So long snake body. It's the things what we can see here. And R1 going to thief that grass body is not ever. Look at this, so long snake body. If you do not believe, see this. It's a snake mouth, yeah. Yeah. When a snake get old, I think it should automatically uh, come out from their body. Yeah, it's long. It's taller than, longest than my body size. Oh my god, so long. Woo! Oh my god. You know, that is the tail part and it's get destroyed from its body. If our goat eat and this, I think that it will harm on their digestive system and they won't be able to digest the food properly and maybe they will sick. Yeah, so long snake body I found and it's but yeah, maybe some people are thinking that why it's red in my forehead. Just today after 4 or 5 days my dad come from Muktinath, which is located like 200 kilometers far from my home and it's in high altitude and most of the people from Nepal as well as from other country come to visit that place, Muktinath. Yeah, Muktinath, and my dad just come today and before uh, before my family member eat that the fruit and other item what he had bring from Muktinath, like he had gone there, so of course he bring a tika. Yeah, it's already rain. I think I need to go home. I don't know if I go right now what will my dad tell. You do not, you lazy, you come home so fast. Maybe you shouted on me like that. Yeah, and my dad bring tika and before we eat that, yeah, what's that called, fruit like a coconut, yeah, coconut and dry apple. I eat that and one white like sweet chocolate. I eat that and before I eat that I wear this, yeah, and I put tika in my forehead and after that it's already a big rain. I need to go home and after that's the things what he have bring while going to worship and he have bring for the memories of the place he have visited. Not a place, I don't know because I never visited that place, but most of our ancestor or my dad family tell that everyone must visit that place once time in a life. Yeah, so my dad go to visit that temple with his mom, my grandma, and they come. He have buy one so high heel like like to walk in the ice because in that highest altitude and it's near from a mountain, so there is snowfall every every month of the year. Oh, you can see the water. It's raining and I'm still here. I think I need to go. Oh, hey idiot, get the hell out from that field. Hey, cha. Yeah, I think I need to go home. Oh my god. Cha. Yeah, our goat is going towards the home. There is river. When I was kid, most of the time when I was studying in the class 8, 9, yeah, up to 8, 9 or before that class, I used to come from the school so fast and I used to swim in the river, spend my time with my friends, sleeping in the hot stone. And when it's like a time of raining, I used to come home and mom tell, you will be sick, don't do like that. Yeah, see, the things what my mom had tell is come true. And when I was studying in class 6, I get sick because I used to eat a lot of spicy food. And while doing a video x-ray in the Borleta, which is like 2 kilometers far from my home, and doctor tell me that don't eat spicy food, eat a bit too much protein, and I have it like that. And after that I get fine. I was getting fine, like like 2 3 months I think, until I eat medicine. uh, for the 2 months I already get recovered. Yeah, so right now I'm going to wash my home. That's every side is bank of river, and it's not far from my home. See, you can see the goat already go there, and they start to eat the maize. Shh. Hey, you stupid idiot goat! There is my home. It's what we call in English. In Nepali we call it paral, because it's like made from rice. Yeah, the goat are just dumb. Just make some like that. Yeah, because they know it's raining and they must go in their own home. Goat home. Hey, get inside of your home. Goat would understand the English. I need to tell cha cha cha. Khor 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 khor. Khor means their home. Okay, bye. I will make another video when I have free time. Yeah, for now, tata. It's already rain. You can see the tin is already wet. Okay, bye.